This conference will now be recorded.
Good evening, everyone. Ma'am, can you revise yesterday's last 10 minutes work, the GL account parking? Okay, we'll do once GL, then I'll tell you the new term. Yes, ma'am, thank you.
Ma'am, can you help me with the doubt that I had actually tried asking you in the morning because the Tuesday's recording was actually not clear because there were some technical issues.
Tuesday class, I'll be telling you later after 7 o'clock. Yesterday, what I have done, just I'll tell you, then we'll start the new concept. Then I'll tell you
Okay.
Tuesday what is the topics. I do not remember. I'll check it out and tell you.
Okay, ma'am, fine.
I think parking posting that was. Today is Thursday, no? Yes, parking posting. Yesterday we did little revise on that. And lastly, I taught GL account.
Ma'am, so I cannot continue doing whatever you will be doing today without doing the previous class's work, right?
Because
Or is it
see,
not
there is no rules
related?
to revise again and again. Already I have revised full totally. So first I'll start at least GL. I'll show you once. That is little bit. If you learn GL also, that is will be easy. What I'm saying. Parking
Yes, ma'am, I
posting is
understood
easy.
what you're saying. I was asking that if you are showing us how to do the GL account, will I be
Then
able to do that in my software without doing the previous class's
no,
work?
that is no link. That is no link. That is separate. This is separate.
Yes, ma'am, that
There
is
is
what
no
I was
link on
asking, if
this.
there is a link between
There is
all
no link
this.
because you can do directly this also. After this also, you can do it. It is not
Okay, ma'am.
like
So then
how
I
I
will
told you
start doing
before. No,
today's work
you
and
can
then
directly start.
afterwards at the end
And
of the class
before
I will
ending
ask
the
you my doubt.
session, yes, before ending the sessions, I'll tell you once more. So
Yes, ma'am. Thank you
every
so
Ma'am,
much.
it was the same doubt as what I had of Anusha's ma'am because even I was
no,
not
we
able
cannot
to.
do two
Uh,
classes back. What I'm saying,
no,
yesterday
ma'am.
class, I'll
I'm
tell you
not
once.
telling that. Yes, ma'am. That is fine, ma'am. I had same
I
thing as
told you
Anusha, ma'am. Even
previously
I was not
also any
coming to.
doubts, listen to me. I told you before also we have already decided all students and me also after 7 o'clock there is a doubt. Now starting no doubts and all. I told you before also. First 1 hour
Yes,
I'll
ma'am.
be
I
taking class,
understood.
then 7 o'clock. Whatever doubts were at any sessions I will tell you after 7.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. That's what I
Okay?
just wanted to tell you, ma'am. Nothing else. Yeah.
Every class it is like that. because we cannot start the session with the doubt. Okay, so that's what. GL account, why I'm telling, because last few minutes I taught yesterday, so I'm revising this. So what you have to do, just I'll exit from the screen once. So everyone connect with the SAP Easy Access to come to the screen, and here we have accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, posting. Till this much you click. Then I'll do one transaction on GL posting. I'll solve everyone's doubt, but after 7 o'clock. So first you connect with this. FB50 is the enter GL account document. So double click on this and you will get the company code. Company code. So here TA51, I'm clicking and click on continue.
Ma'am, FB50, right?
Okay, now I am going to post one document. So here document date. Let's check about the company code once. Company code TA51. If it is showing like this, enter valid date. So come out from the line once and again double click on this. So give the company code once again. Click on the tick mark. Now document date. Document date, what we need to do here, this is the 1st of August. Okay.
Excuse me,
I'm
ma'am.
going to do one transaction. What happened? Who is asking?
Ma'am, for me, it's not asking me the company code and it's showing some other company code.
It
So
will
how
ask
do
the
I?
company code.
Yes, ma'am, it's the same for me as well. It did not ask the company code and it is showing 0408 Janta Solutions Bengaluru.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, the
Directly
same thing
click on the
happened to me.
company code
I
and
clicked
check
on
it.
company code on top,
Will you
ma'am.
listen to me one by one? You are asking whom I'll answer. First, you listen. There is a one option called company code. Okay, you can go and change there also. You can go here and change there. If it is not asking, if you can change it here. You can click and change the company code. It will accept.
Got it, ma'am.
It will come. It will. If you click also, it will ask. Then you can change it. Doc. Then here GL account. Have to click here and press enter. So I need to select purchase account. So double click on the purchase account. This is debit. Amount I am giving here 10,000. After this, what you have to do, press enter. So it's become red. Okay. So what is that? Balance not equals to 0. So like this, what we have to do next, we have to post it, simulate. So posting is only possible in the Geno entries. So I have to enter one more account here. As it is a GL account postings, we need to put a cash. Okay. So credit is cash here, then 10,000. Enter. Now this is two line items is done. So what is that? Balance equals 0. Understood? So you need to put purchase account debited to cash. Then we have to click on simulate.
Ma'am, after every entry, we're supposed to click on simulate, right?
Simulate means to display. This is document posting display. Directly you can post it also. But why simulate? It will show the one document overview. That's what we are simulating. And click on post.
Ma'am,
So the document 1009 was posted. Asking me the company code, I am going to give like this. And now I'll do one more entries on this. So click on this, take one. And next, suppose I am taking here another example. Press enter.
ma'am, how did you stimulate the
Mute
data?
yourself. Someone is talking to someone else. Some other voice are coming. Okay. Next is I'll do suppose interest paid. Debit is this one. Amount is I'm giving here 2000. This is a interest paid. Expenses account by cash.
Ma'am, the first one is interest.
Yes, interest paid. Some other voice also I'm getting here. Press enter. Then click on directly post. You can simulate, you can directly post. So 1010 document has been posted. So this is called your enter GL account document. It is a park, edit or park. This is posting. This is you can do once more also TA 51. Same screen will come park document. This is you can directly post also. You can park the document or post a save as a completed. You can click on this. Whatever GS you have, that you can use. I'll take
Ma'am, after clicking on simulate, we need to click on park, is it?
simulate. Directly click on save button. It will post. So now I am doing here one. What is that? Commission paid. I'm doing one commission paid. Debit 1000. Suppose I'm giving, and it is by suppose check. So what I need to select? Bank. So I'm selecting ICICI Bank. This is credit 1000. Okay. Press enter and click on post. Or suppose you want to park the document, you can park. Save as a complete also you can do. Simulate also you can do. So enter values is required. So value date it is asking. So if it is asking the value date, you can enter this. It is asking value date. Here. This is 1 and enter. Now it is simulating and click on post. So this is also posted. This is called your GL posting. Okay. Now I'll tell you one new concepts today, which is this posting document. Yesterday also I told you, today also I'm telling how to display this FB03. Okay, so you have to give the document number. Suppose I want to see the document 1009. I want to display this document. So you can see now it is displaying where it is. It is in the document FB03. You can write the T code also.
Ma'am, what to write for value date?
Today's date. Value date today's date. Sorry. Value date is today's date. You are entering today, so today's date.
Ma'am, right now you showed how to see the accounts that we've posted, no ma'am? How do we see the accounts that we have entered in the GL account?
This is only FB03. But if you want to write complete cash account GS, there is another procedure. Okay, what is that? In the T code bar, you write /n FBL3N. All students can do this. /n FBL. All are small letters. /n FBL3N. This is called GL line item display. Yesterday I taught this. Today's concept I'm going to start. I've now started till late. Okay. Once you type and enter, you will get GL line item display. The screenshot I have sent yesterday in the group. So I want to see all cash accounts. So click on this and you have to click on open items. So today's date, whatever is there, I will go to the execute F8 or you can press execute. See, whatever we have entered cash related transactions, all it will be displaying. Who is shouting like this?
Can you,
What happened?
ma'am, it's me only, ma'am. Ma'am, can you just like
So
go
loudly you are
slowly
asking
and
what
show us?
happened. It's
Yes,
already
ma'am.
almost
Ma'am, can you
slowly.
just
I
go
have not
back?
started today's topic. I have not touched
Ma'am,
today's
how?
topic. I have just yesterday's topics only I am
Ma'am,
discussing here.
that is, ma'am, that
Yesterday
is fine,
topics
ma'am.
only I am
Can you just show us how
discussing.
do we go to the next?
Yes,
I
ma'am,
have
already
done
Ma'am, I
noted
know
already
it.
that,
here.
ma'am. I'm just telling.
/n FBL3N, you type in the T code bar, press enter. /n FBL3N. Shall I show you in the MS Word? You can just type this. Whatever entries we have done, that will display. /n FBL3N. This is the T code for this. All students, you can type this in the T code bar and press enter. So this is called GL line item display. Most of the student has not submitted the assignments. Few of the Snehashri has submitted and few of the students, hardly 2-3 students I have got. Other students has not submitted the assignments. The previous also and this yesterday's also. I have just collected few of the assignments. That has to complete this all transaction. Then only you will understand the GL posting and packing. Those who have done, they have
Ma'am,
understood.
ma'am, in GL account it shows 1 lakh, no ma'am? For
1
me
lakh
it's
is for
showing.
cash accounts, Nehashri.
Okay, ma'am.
What happened? No, here we have given numbers. Okay, these are number
Okay,
range we
ma'am.
have given. No, the document splitting. Did you remember? 1 lakh to 199,
Yes,
2 lakhs
yes,
to
ma'am.
299. That is only it came. So yesterday I saw all your assignments are correct. So here cash account I am checking first. You can do individually for other ledgers also. Understanding?
Okay,
To
ma'am.
cash
Yes, ma'am.
whatever transactions, cash payment, cash receipt, what we have done, that it will show in the open items for till today. That is 1st of August. You can click on execute and you can see. Like suppose I want to see about other items. So what I can do, if there is a no continuity regular classes, if students will not attend, not a single things you will understand. I'm telling you now only, and you have to understand this concept every day. It will not be repeat. And one more thing, one class miss means it's a bigger mistake. It's a bigger mistake, bigger loss because it is all linked. In SAP, all classes are linked to each other. If you attend on Tuesday, if you again not absent on Wednesday, then from the day one only you should be regular. Once you regular means everything you will get to know this. One class is okay, but if you in the middle, I have all the attendance. If you missed all the classes in the middle, there is a no touch and it will be very difficult to understand what I am saying. Now onwards, it is all like posting entries only. Vendor posting is there, accounts payable. I'm going to start today. Accounts payable, accounts receivable. So please be regular.
Ma'am,
Please
I have
be
a
regular
doubt.
on this. Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, we've done parking posting and now GL posting. What is the difference, ma'am?
GL, I'm just showing the reports how it will be. So suppose I'm taking on ICICI Bank. Let's take an example of ICICI Bank. And here you execute. Whatever the bank transactions, me check transactions, what we have done, it is displaying. So in this screen, what is SA? SA is for GL account. I told you that day, SA is for GL account, KA for vendors. I have not started that KA, I'll start. Okay, this is 6 lakhs introduced for the capital that will be displaying by check. Okay, likewise for single individual ledger, you can check it out. What I am saying. Suppose interest paid, how many transactions we have done? We did not remember. Two transactions we have done. One is 2,600, one is 2,000. Okay, likewise for each ledger, you can check it out. Purchase, how much I have done? Suppose I forgot. So you can execute this and you can see. Purchase we have done 10,000 today. That is on 1st of August. Every detail it will display. What is the assignment number? What is the document number? What is the GL account? What is the account type? Account type means GL account. GL account shortcut is the SA. And how much the amount? What is the currencies? Everything it will get display on the GN line items.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am, but like my doubt is what's the difference between general document parking, general posting, and entering GL account document? Because we're
There is
doing,
no,
we're posting
there
in
is
all of this.
all of her same, but this is the different method of posting the document. Different
Okay, ma'am.
method of
So
posting.
even without,
You, if you will
so
do this also,
without,
it will display. This is different method.
okay, ma'am.
Enter GL account
So
posting
without,
header.
without
No, no.
parking, we can post, and without,
Ask.
like, we
Continue
can
your.
do directly, ma'am. So let me just say this one. So we can directly post, we can park and post, and we can
Yes,
directly post in the GL account also.
yes. All three, all are different
Okay,
procedures
ma'am.
here. All are different procedure. Understood. So that is the
Yes, ma'am.
things. So what I'm saying, what documents we have posted, how we can say I was saying that. So this is the things. The, this is called GL line item display. Yesterday I have sent one screenshot in the group also. You can check it out like this. Display. Even you can see in your software also. Okay. So you understood today. Yesterday things only I told once on request. Okay. So now I'm going to tell you about
Ma'am,
vendors.
ma'am,
Who is speaking now?
ma'am, it's me, Akshay.
Shuttle.
Ma'am, yesterday's Word document, you didn't actually resend it. You did not resend it, ma'am. You have only sent one Word document, and all these key T codes that you have actually typed and sent, typed in your Word document, you did not resend it, ma'am. So can you resend the
I have
document?
sent long back till GL.
No, ma'am. Yesterday you actually even typed some
Not
T
not
codes and
in
stuff
the
like that,
when
and
I
then you did
started the
not.
classes I have sent. When I started the class I have sent after chat of accounts.
Ma'am,
This is again revision I have
ma'am,
done. No.
Ma'am, the
ma'am,
T
end
codes
of
that
the
you
class
sent are
yesterday.
only till one particular.
Now what I'm why I'm not sending because all the T codes on the screen only. That time it was not displaying on the screen like chart of accounts or business area. It is not displaying on screen. Now this onwards I'm not going to send. I'll send it last because all T codes in front of you only. All T codes are in front of you. SAP PCX's all T code will display on screen. In
Ma'am, I'm not
what is that?
asking that, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm not asking that, ma'am. Yesterday, for the general ledger line items and then for the two other things, you had written down a T code, and then on top of
Huh.
that, you had underlined certain things. I'm asking about that Word document, ma'am. You did not resend it in the group, ma'am, yesterday after you finished the class.
Wait, it is there with me now. Which one you are telling? I'm not
Yes,
getting this
ma'am.
one.
Yeah.
This is only I have sent. I have
No,
sent
ma'am, you
one
did
more
not
is there.
send this, ma'am. No. Yeah. The, the one which is showed
Which
right
one?
now, ma'am. The one which you just showed right now. No, not this. Yeah, this one.
It is displaying O3 and I have given no. This is what I have given.
Yes, ma'am. You did
I have
not.
Akshaya,
sent this.
ma'am
Yes,
has
ma'am.
sent it under the name of a document called assignment document. She sent
That
it
is
in
what
the group.
I have sent it.
Okay, fine.
No, actually
Okay.
that I have sent with the transaction name. Yes, I got to know. Then again I resend the document with the last part with the assignment name. So I have changed the name of the document. So you can check it out once. This only I have sent. You can send in group. You can see that in group it is there. So till
Okay,
date
ma'am.
I
Fine.
told once again. Then I'll tell you today vendors. Little bit I'll start today. Just little bit I'll tell you what is vendors actually. What do you mean by vendors? Anyone can explain me? Because I'm going to start today accounts payable. Now maximum students you understood. Asha, one question I have students. How many students understood till GL? Few of the sensors I got in the group. Okay. Sneha Shri has done. Sneha Shri already sent. Okay. And other students, Palak, what about this? You have not sent. If you understood, put yes. If you have done, and please be regular in the classes because coming classes topic will be much more tough. So if you missed one class also, it is like you missed a lot. That is, it is like that. Because now what concept I'm going to start, it is all linked. So I'm going to start today vendors accounts payable. Okay, vendors accounts payable. When I start, then I'll discuss first what is vendor, how to define the document types, and how to do purchasing on this. And there's a long procedure is there. Each procedure are connected to each other. Okay, so that is the things. Now onwards, do not miss the class. What I am saying. So there will be a continuity means you will be get in touch on this. So you will easily understand this topics and all. Okay, one second.
Ma'am, what about the exam that you told us about 6th August?
Hmm. Exam right now it's not there for you because it will take
Yeah,
long
you
time to
mentioned,
take exam.
yes, you mentioned
Right now
earlier
no
about this.
exam in no the batch has been extended already. There is no exam on 6th. It will be by 19th of August. The classes will be there, I think. Today is the first. No, no sixth exam. Your batch has been extended till 19th. 2 more weeks, I think. Today is the first. Tomorrow one class will be there. This week and the next week full. I think by 16 or 19th is the last. I think because we have extended the batch dates. So don't think about exam now. There is a lot of times is there. So what is accounts payable? It is not tough concept as you have understood GL account. It is little bit invoice like this entries, but procedures will be some extras. What is that? SAP FI accounts payable is used to manage and record accounting data for all the vendors. What do you mean by vendors? Yes, anyone can answer. What do we mean by vendors? Hmm? Yes, tell me. Answer me. What do you mean by vendors here?
Suppliers.
Yes,
From whom we
suppliers of goods
purchase
and
the materials.
services. Yes, yes. So, SAPFI accounts payable is used to manage and record accounting data for all the vendors, all invoices and deliveries. So, what is that? Management and for vendors' request. Payable are managed as per the payment program, and all the payments can be made using checks transfer, electronic transfer, etc. Okay. Why? What is the accounts payable? That is shortly we are telling AP. Okay. AP stands for accounts payable. So sundry creditor is known as your accounts payable. Sundry debtor is called as a accounts receivable when you do customer invoice. So SAP accounts payable accounting is also called as a subledger accounting. Hmm? Subledger accounting. As the business transactions are carried out individually in the vendor accounts in normal accounting for raw materials purchased accounting entries would be like below. So what is that? Take an example of a purchase from party. Still we are entering in the GL account. What is that? Purchase account debited to cash or purchase account debited to bank. Means by check. Now onwards we'll do purchase account means credit purchase means purchase account debited to vendors. Okay. So in this inventory, raw materials, all this thing is there. This is a subledger to automatically. Now in the creation of vendors, how to create a vendors? Okay, how to create vendors? You can note down this part. SPRO, SAP reference ING, financial accounting, new accounts receivable and accounts payable, vendor account, master data, preparation for creating vendor master data. So what is the path? So all you have note down this. So that is the things, and create, there is the different modules of SAP FI. This is master data preparations for creating master data. All these things are there. Define accounts group. So it consists of vendor master data, centralized storage, vendor information, invoice verifications. There is a payment terms like down payment will be there. There is a credit memo. Okay, AP ledgers recording the reporting of AP transactions. Using this SAP5 streamlined vendor invoice processing is there. Improve payment accuracy and enhance vendor relationship with these customers and gain visibility to the vendor liabilities. SAP FI accounts payable is closely integrated with other SAP modalities like such as I have told in the first beginning classes in the presentation. SAP has a different modules also. SAP FI, financial accounting and controlling. Then we have a material management like this and general ledgers to ensure seamless and financial processing and reporting. So that is the things. Now I'm going to create on the software vendor account. Everyone note down the path so we can go to the SPRO screen. Okay, we'll go to the SPRO so everyone can see this. Just T code bar you type SPRO. Okay, press enter. SAP reference IMG, SAP reference IMG, financial accounting new, accounts receivable and accounts payable, vendor accounts, master data. So till this you come SPRO, financial accounting new, accounts receivable and accounts payable, then vendor account, then master data. Just make a note on this. And here we need to click preparations for creating vendor master data. Okay, till this much everyone is following. And next you click define accounts groups with screen layout vendors, IMG activities. You can note down the path also. Okay, everyone done this? Are you able to follow?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see this. After this, what we need to do, we have to click on define accounts group with screen layout vendor. So double click on this and click on new entries. Okay, now I'm going to create TAV and I'm not going to create. I'll give uh,
Ma'am, did you
Ma'am,
double
can
click
it not
on
be?
hmm,
Ma'am, can it not be the same as our company code?
no, should be different. That's what I'm giving VNTA. So domestic vendor for TA51. Already
ma'am?
you can give TAVN also because I am already used that for other batches. So other classes I have taken. So I am giving VNTA. Okay, you can give TABN also.
Ma'am, after coming to master data, what did you click on?
Master data. I have to go back. Then I have to cancel it.
No, ma'am, you don't have to
I
cancel
cannot
it.
go back. cannot go back. That's what I'm
Ma'am,
telling.
but what did you
Your data
click, ma'am?
will
If you
be
tell me
lost.
that, I'll just click
You
I
can
it,
have
just
to
ma'am.
see
verbally
that.
tell us.
I have to see that. That's what. Because the path I have to see that. After
I'm
master
here, ma'am.
data, preparations for creating master data.
Preparations. Okay, and then?
Define accounts group with screen layout vendors.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Then
Ma'am,
what
the
you have to do, you have
account group, the code that you've given for the account group, can it be alphanumeric? Ma'am, can you hear me?
yes, it is on the screen only. My cursor is there only.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes,
So the account group, you entered a code, no, ma'am. Can that be
I
alphanumeric?
exited from that. I exited, so I have to do once again.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
I define accounts group with screen layout vendors. Okay. Then you have to click on new entries. Accounts group don't give with the same company code. Okay. You can give TAVN. Every students type TAVN, but I am giving different one because I have already used the TAVN. So I am giving here VNTA. You can
Can
just
it be
give TAVN.
alphanumeric, ma'am?
No, 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 no. It's only alpha. Only alpha.
Okay, okay. Okay, ma'am.
You can give what name you have given for company code related to that, but for alpha you have to give. And that you need to remember the entire accounts payable procedure. You give like this alphabets which you will be remember. VN should be there because it's a vendor, so only I am giving. So here domestic vendor for TA51. So first you complete this, then I'll tell you what we need to do. Okay.
So we have to type VN and some other letters. So it can't be random
Like
letters,
your
ma'am.
name is start from what you have given company code, the first two alpha you can give it like this. What is your company code? Company
Sorry,
code
ma'am, I
what
couldn't
you
hear
have
you.
given?
Ma'am, my company code is YZ11.
The voice is breaking.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes. Now you tell
My company
what
code is
company.
YZ11. So I gave account group WXYZ. My question was, do we have to include the letters
Why you
V
have
and
given? You
N
should
because
give.
vendor?
Snehasri, you could have given proper name. No XYZ if you give, how it will be look. By heart this how you will feel. You should give proper name. Okay, no problem. You have continue with this. Give some VNXZ or something like this.
Okay, ma'am. So we have to include
But
V
that
and
you
N
have
in
to
our.
remember. But that you
Okay,
should
ma'am.
not forget because in coming procedure it will be keep on asking. So you give like that alphabet which is easily remembered.
Yes, ma'am. No,
Okay.
ma'am, my doubt is that do we have to include the letters V and N when we are giving account group?
It's better because why it's a vendor, no? So
Okay.
only I've given V.
Okay, ma'am.
That's the reason, no other things. So a domestic vendor, then double click on company code data. After after this filling, you have to click on company code data. Double click on this. This will continue today and tomorrow also. This concept is little longer. Maybe it can take 3 classes also. So only I'm telling. So company code data you have entered because this procedure I cannot show you once again. That's what I'm telling. First you fill this and double click on company code data and then double click on accounts management. That's what I'm going little slow. This is one time creation. We cannot enter like other postings and all. One time creation it is.
Ma'am, what did you give the name as?
You can give any 4 alpha in accounts group.
Yes,
You
ma'am,
can
that is
see
given. After that, what's
what I
the
have given. You
name
can
and
see
what
on the
time
screen.
account?
See, accounts group is 4 alpha. Then you write descriptions domestic vendor for what is your company code. That code you should give. Okay, then double click on company code data. Then you will get the screen. Try first. I'm not proceeding now. Once you come to the screen, then I'll continue. Everyone come on the screen. Everyone got the screen. Maintain field status group. So stay here for 2 minutes. I'll be back. Hello. So everyone got the screen. Maintain field status group. Yes. All student got the screen. Who had got the
Yes,
screen? You
ma'am.
can put a message. Okay. Srija has got. Next. Snehasri also got. Akshaya. Pooja. Pooja, are you doing now? Okay. Ashini also got. Very good. Anushya also done. Okay. So we'll continue. Is it visible, students? Is it visible to you? Hello?
Ma'am, I think your screen is lagging.
Poor connections. Is the screen is visible?
Screen is visible,
It
ma'am,
is
but
visible,
it's
I think.
lagging slightly.
Okay, little bit it is fluctuating. Okay, so double click on accounts management. Double click on account management and click on reconciliation account as a required entries. Now here I want to explain something. What is that? Is that here? Reconciliations accounts related to the vendor account. What is suppress, what is required, what is optional, and what is display. Like suppress means that entry has been hidden. Everyone know I think about Google Form, right? Google Form, some fields are we have to mandatory to fill. Okay, that is called required entries. Some fields are optional. You can skip also, right? Some questions answer we can skip also, and some fields are hidden. When you will open that, then only you can fill it. So suppressed means that is a hidden entries. Okay, required means mandatory to enter the data. An optional entry means you can or you can skip. And display means this is you cannot do any changes, it is for display mode. So in that case what you will do, you have to click on reconciliation as a required entries. Is that clear? So double click on accounts management and come to the main field status group accounts management. Then what we need to click, required entries straight to the reconciliation account. Other things you need not to change, students, only this you have to change as a from optional to required. Is that clear? Everyone understood? Have you done this? If
Ma'am, could you repeat? I couldn't hear you.
if you have till done till this much, take the picture and send it in group that you have done till this much. Okay. Snehasri has already done. Okay, Anusha. Okay, done. Okay, very good. Other students also you can send it. Okay. So after this, just click on save button. So it is asking this key, mine is not accepting. I need to change then. Okay, I have to change this because I think I have used this key. So I'll give, see for you it will accept. I think try this. For me it is not accepting. So I'll change the key. TAVA.
Ma'am, you can give something like
I'm going to
SJ,
change this.
SJVN or
My
something.
TAVN was not accepting. So I have changed with the TAVA and I'm going. Okay. Try to save this and save with the company code. This customizing request. Once you click on the save button, again you will get prompt for customizing request. Did you save? Hmm? So this data was saved. I have just changed as a TAVA because my VNT was not accepting, so I have changed it. But whatever procedure we have done, that will be doing. See here, accounts management is all required entries has been done. Okay. So now come out from the screen. Got it? So
Yes,
we'll
ma'am.
come back to the display IMG screen now. The next step is come down and see here. See my pointer. Create number ranges for vendor account. Where is my pointer? It is here. Create number ranges for vendor accounts. Now we are going to create number range for vendor accounts. Okay, we'll click here and we'll get the screen. All are getting the screen. Vendor number range. See here we have a display, status and intervals. So display means which number has been already created, that will be display. But for our company we are going to create. So what we need to do, we have to click on change interval. So see the pointer and click on that, change intervals. Okay, so I'll click on the change intervals. Here you click on then insert intervals, that is shift F1. You can just click on that. Okay, now click on this intervals. Now I'm going to give 51. Okay, number range I'm going to give 51. I'm giving here 6000 not. Let's take about 2000 also there, 3000, 3000 also there,
Oh, why
4000.
51?
Anything you can take, student, does not matter. Suppose I am giving 9000 to 9000 range, I am giving 9999. Okay, I'll try this, it is accepting or what. So it is not accepting. What I'll do in that case, I'll close it. I'll click on change intervals. Okay, so I'll give 51 only. From number you can just click on this. I'm going to choose the first one. Type what number you have given according to your company code. Mine is TA51, so I have given here 51. You try your number digit which you like, okay, and select this here one number range. It is a free intervals are there, so you can, this is called free intervals. We can use any one, but don't use the last one, because if you do last one, your total intervals, your number range will finish. You will not able to do anything on that. So better if it is showing more, select the first one which will be some numbers like mine is displaying 2 lakhs, it is more 20 lakhs 6000 is displaying to 20 lakhs 6999. So I am choosing this one, but do not choose where there is a number of nines. That means your total intervals will be getting used, so you, it will be required in the further classes. Okay, coming classes we require, so don't use the entire number range. Select the first one which does not have a all nines. If you and click on insert intervals. Now it is got created. So I'll get the screen where my number range, I have 51 number range has been created. This you can see now. This number range I have created just now. Try this once, and if you have done,
Ma'am, how did you save it?
Yes, who is asking? Someone is asking.
After choosing the interval, we have to just save it, right?
Who is asking? Palak, yes, Palak. Any doubts you have?
Ma'am, after choosing a specific interval period, we have to just save it, right?
How much you have done? You have done
Ma'am,
this?
I've
Huh.
clicked on that
After
number
intervals
range.
giving, you need to save this. Huh. Number
Okay.
range you give, and then you click on which is that. Suppose I am going to here. You have to click on this insert. After filling this,
Oh,
you can click on this insert. Once it is insert, you can get this in the list.
yes, ma'am, it's inserted, it says.
Is data was saved is displaying?
Yes, ma'am, it says it is inserted and saved.
Okay, good. Then you come one step you back and you see it is in the list it displaying. Mine is displaying now 51. For you check which number range you have given is displaying on the list or not. Here you can give to alpha also, but I have given number. Better you give number. Is it displaying Palak? If it is displaying, can you send the screenshot? So I'll get to know what number range you have created. If you have done, then highlight this and the screenshot you can send it. Okay,
Ma'am,
zero
I gave
06.
the number as 06.
Who has given Palak has given 06, okay. Anusha has created also 38, okay. And Anusha 51.
Mine is actually 51.
Is it displaying? Okay, no problem.
Yes, ma'am,
Is it
it's the
displaying?
same as what you
Huh.
did. 2 lakh,
Yes, yes, no problem.
20
It's
lakh
displaying, no?
999.
Displaying
Yes,
means
ma'am, I
back
didn't
to
click
the.
on that, so it's just showing
See
38.
what is displaying here. When someone has asked me, I should save. Yes, you should click on save. In the screen also displaying means you click on save. You can see one message box will come. You have to click on tick mark students. After displaying on this, click on save button and click on the tick mark. Totally it will get saved.
Ma'am, it's not saving for me.
Why? It will save. The changes was saved. It should be some this one. Try this. It is displaying no. Click on save once. Highlight this or don't highlight. Anything you can do it. You can just save it. So the changes were saved. It will display.
Ma'am, if I try to save it, it highlights on 01 and just that.
One minute. Palak has sent something. What message is displaying? Means you have not created. I think. Once more you create. Try to create. Click on intervals and type once again. Give another number. How 01 will display? Don't give 01. Give some other numbers. 01 already we have done for normal document number range. For GS postings we have done. This is for vendor we are creating number range. So number should not be 01. It should be different.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Interval is already available. It is showing. Interval is already
What do I
available.
do,
Is
ma'am?
showing.
Ma'am, can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, tell me. Huh. Who is speaking?
Ma'am, can you just once more show what to insert? Shrija.
Srija. Okay, I'll show you one second. Not a problem.
Ma'am,
Check
what do
it.
I do? Because
Yes.
I will
interval
show
is
you once again. See this from the screen, from the back to the screen once again. Okay, now I'll click on create number range for vendor account. Click on change intervals, and here we have intervals. Okay, here we have intervals. Any number is not accepting, try to give another number. Sometimes I shown you for vendor account also that name is there, so it was not accepting. Try to give another number, and you have to, let's take an example of, I'm giving 54. Okay, click on this and click on this. I'm selecting, suppose this one. What I'm selecting, this one. Okay, and you can click on insert.
Ma'am, ma'am, can you hear me, ma'am?
Hmm.
Ma'am, actually, I've sent you sent this image in the group, ma'am. Actually, I suspended my guest
And voice
yesterday,
is
and today
breaking,
when I
voice
opened the
breaking. Who is speaking now? Srija?
it's me, Akshaya, ma'am.
Akshaya. Okay, Akshaya, tell me.
Ma'am, yesterday I suspended my guest, ma'am. So today when I opened the software once again, I got back to this screen, ma'am. Can you just help me out? How do I go back to SAP now?
Can you type, Akshaya? I'm not getting your voice properly. Can you type message box?
Ma'am, she is typed in the chat, ma'am, in the group chat.
No, everyone's voice is breaking. I don't know. Can you
ma'am,
type message
I
so I'll get to know?
tried with 97 and I got
97
a
you have
message.
tried. Okay.
I got a message. Should I click on the tick mark?
Can you students type the message? Okay, group you have messaged. You messaged here. I'm not checking group. You send message here. What you are asking? Okay, yes. You click on the tick mark. Click on the tick mark. Palak. Palak, you click on tick mark.
Yes, ma'am, it is saved now.
Yes, I showed you this. That means it is in saved. Okay, so
Ma'am,
everyone
I've
got
sent
this?
you the image in the group, ma'am. Can you just help me out, ma'am? How do I get
This
back
is
to SAP?
technical issues. Akshay, I got to know, but this is you have to talk to the admin sir only. See, soft related issues he will only be handling. This is maybe you have wrong
So now
place, you
what?
have clicked something. You asked to him,
I did
ask
not
to
click
sir.
anything, ma'am. Okay, fine,
Open
ma'am. I'll
virtual
ask him.
machine, you click once. Open virtual machine, click on once and see that.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I clicked on
Try
that,
this.
ma'am. Ma'am, can I share my screen, ma'am?
Okay, you can share just 2 minutes. Akshay, just 2 minutes. After this, you can share the screen. Okay. Just
Okay,
few
fine, ma'am.
class you see. I'll help you out how much is possible. Okay. Now you see this. Palak has, I think one student has sent this. So this is all done. Now the last is, I have already saved. It is asking for me. Okay, data has changed. So now I want to assign. This is the last topic. After this, I'll stop. I'll clear all your doubts. Okay. So assign number range to vendor accounts group. This is the last topic for the day. Just below the create number range, assign number ranges to vendor accounts group. Click on this. Then you have to click on position. Okay. Let's take once more. After creation, you have to click on assign number ranges to vendor accounts group. This is the last concept. After this, you can share students all your screen and you can ask your doubts and we can solve it by 7:30. Hmm? So assign number is to vendor accounts group. Very simple. You can go to the position accounts group. What I have given? I have given TA VA. Okay. What accounts group you have given, that you select, and I have given number range 51. Click on save. Save this. So this is the last has done. Everyone do and save it and send the screenshot, those who have done till this much. And next we'll start with the doubts clearings. Okay. So data was saved. Send the picture of this, those who have done till this much.
Ma'am, can you please show the path once again?
Yes, this below of that. After creation, you have to assign. It is in the same row after the next point only. I have not changed the path. Click on position, give the accounts group, not the company code, accounts group.
Ma'am,
Then
I've sent the
type the
picture.
number range you have done. Okay, those who have done, send the pictures and we can
Yes, ma'am, I did
start
send the
our
picture.
doubt clearings. Okay, I'll stop this now. Okay, Akshaya, you try this once. What I'll
Yes,
say,
ma'am.
Ma'am,
click on this open virtual machine. I'll see that.
Ma'am, can you just enable me to like share my screen, ma'am?
Yes.
ma'am, I'm
One
sorry to
second.
interrupt, but ma'am, even I have a small like my screen has become very small and I don't know how to get back to the original. If you can help me, it'll be good.
No, like the screen is showing like Akshaya, or what is the different
No,
screen is displaying?
ma'am.
Akshay has
No,
sent
ma'am.
one
The
screen.
SAP virtual screen is only visible, but it has become small. I will just send it.
Oh, small. I can tell you. Can you send the screenshot? That I can help you out.
Ma'am,
Yes,
can
There
you
is a
make
options.
me
It is there.
enable? Can you make me
Who is
enable the
sending
screen?
this now? One
The
minute.
screen, the
One
screen
minute. I'll
share,
just
ma'am.
check it out. Okay, this is easy. What you will do? No, I will only show you on the screen. See that? I'll only show you. See, I'll back to the screen. Hmm? Your screen is displaying like this. So what you have to do, see my screen, exit full screen mode. You have to, there is a three options is there. Okay, you can see this here. Click on this because maybe you have done this one, hide library or this one. So you can click on full screen mode. See, I'll show you once. Now my screen is displaying like this, right? Someone has sent the picture me like this. So what we need to do here, enter full screen mode. Getting my point? So click on, I'll just Anusha. I'll just send this her. Click on full screen mode. Anusha, you can see on my screen.
Ma'am, ma'am, can I share my screen, ma'am?
Yes, yes, Snehashri has marked out. That only. With Snehashri has marked out, there only you have to click. See this and you will get the full screen. Okay, so but one more students I could not try to open a virtual machine. Akshaya.
Ma'am, can I share my screen, ma'am, so I can show it to you here itself?
Okay, you can share the screen. Okay, I'll stop sharing. You can share now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
What is your name? What is your name? Ankasha?
sure. Ma'am, Akshaya, ma'am.
Akshaya. Okay, just a minute. I enable you. Akshaya. Okay. I'll make it as a presenter. Now you can present and let me check where is the things been not getting. Share the screen, Akshaya. I'm not getting your screen. Even I told you I'll show you once posting and parking. One student has asked me that in the beginning of the class. Who has asked me actually? Can I know the name? Someone has asked me, ma'am, that you have to. Can you show like this, posting and parking? Can I know the name? Who is asked? Raise your hand. Those who have asked the question. Akshay, I'm not able to see your screen.
Ma'am, I actually got logged off by mistake, ma'am. So you have to
Your
enable me to
session
like
is
share my screen once
temporarily
again.
unable. You have to check with the admin, I think. Your session, your this one is not displaying. It's showing me like this. Session is you have temporarily unable. But sorry, this is a tech. This is the internet issues, I think. Okay. Uh, and I'll share the screen. Which students has asked me that about the posting and parking once? Can you tell me? Yes. No one has asked among this. Posting is like this. No one has asked me. That student is not there. Okay.
Ma'am, what was the question, ma'am?
No, one student has asked me. She's not attended on Tuesday due to some internet issues. It was fluctuating that day. So I'm not getting the name who has asked about the posting, general posting and parking. So general posting is nothing but like this. This is one you have to give, and you have to give the company code once more. I'll just record this. PA51 INR. This is the general posting what we are doing. 40 is for debit entry. You can click on this and suppose I am taking your machinery account. I am purchasing machinery. So this is 3,500 and you can give value date here. 1. Text is being machinery purchased. Being machinery purchased, posting key is 50. Account, suppose it is by cash. So what we need to select? Cash account. Press enter and first time we have to put star for the amount and plus for the text. Now you have to click on display document and you can post this. This is called GL posting. So likewise we have done parking here. General document parking. Here you can click. So this one company code is TA51. Currency I'm going to give INR and here we have options. Suppose I am taking furniture account or let's take a cash receipt. So I'll close this furniture account. Let's take on this different one. I'll take interest received from the bank. So I'll take SDFC Bank. I got the interest as a 2000. Being interest received, sorry, being interest received, okay, from bank, from bank. So this posting key will be 50. What will be here? We have to select interest received account. Press enter. Amount is star. Text is plus. Now overview this and post it. So this is called direct. This is park document. Now park document, how to post it? So we have to go to the post and delete document 10132024. I need to do. Press enter and click on post. So entry field is required, value date it is asking, click on this, press enter once and document has been posted. This is called parking and posting the documents. Any other doubt, students? So tomorrow I am going to teach you how to create document tags for vendors and how to create vendors. Next week we'll do invoice entries and posting. That is on Monday. Okay. Any doubts with the sessions today? Anyone has not able to do anything? Means like anywhere you stuck? Let me check once. Just 5 minutes is there. Those who are right now present, all you have done. Puja, Pavitra, Lisa. I'm asking to all three students. Lisa, Pavitra, Puja. Have you done this? Hmm? How much you have done till today? How much you have done? Puja and Pavitra.
Um, yeah, ma'am. So from past 4 days, I couldn't attend the class. So I was just checking out the
Why
recordings.
that many days? That is
Yeah,
so
ma'am.
much.
Yeah. So I wasn't there. So I was just checking out the recordings, and I've just started with my
Okay.
GL account creating. I've completed my assets and I've
Okay.
started with my liabilities.
Okay.
Yeah, but
Any
definitely
doubts
by
is there
Monday
with
I'll
that?
complete. No, ma'am. In recordings, I have
Okay.
no doubt. Yeah.
Okay. Pavitra, any doubts you have? How much you have done, Pavitra? And Lisa also not asking. Lisa, how? What is the status, Lisa? How much you have done? Meeting is not over. Those who are left, they will be absent. Still, the class has not got over. 3 minutes is there. After this, you can log out. Lisa, any doubts is there? Posting, parking, you understood. Today, vendors, how to create a number range. So those who have understood, few students has already done. Okay, very good. So
Ma'am,
please be
how's
regular
the
and attend all the
attendance
classes.
calculated?
Right now, next week, no. Who is asking?
Ma'am,
Someone is
how is
asking.
the attendance
Who is asking?
calculated? Sneha Shri, ma'am.
Attendance I am taking from my side. It's all
Ma'am,
downloaded. Your recordings will be there. In
Okay.
recordings, all the names are displaying on this. We
Okay,
have
ma'am.
downloading the attendance sheets. After the class, we'll get the recording. So that's what we are updating in the book also. So your recording will be counting. So that's what, don't
can
go
you tell
absent
us
on
our
this.
attendance?
No, no, that is our things that we have to submit lastly to HOD of your college. Not now. We cannot share to the students. So that's what I'm telling. Please be regular.
Ma'am, I'm attending all the classes, but I think sometime
One, two students are
last
full
few
regular.
minutes I leave.
All attendance is there.
Ma'am,
Attendance is there every day. I'm taking your attendance. All it is there. Uh, all attendance yours there. I am taking all of your attendance. Those who are attending the classes. Okay. So one student, one beginning she was attending. I don't know she has installed or not. Kaser by name. So she has installed the software or not. I have doubt on this. So that's what. Everyone installed. Those who are attending right now in this few weeks. Those who have attended, everyone installed. Everyone software is one. Only Akshaya has done some things. Okay. But let me check with the admin. Virtual machine has to be checked once. That is a technical issues. Let's check it out. You send this and call to our system admin. They may solve it out. Okay. So that's all for the day, students, and we'll continue tomorrow with the vendor creations and document types. Okay.
thank you,
That's
ma'am.
all for the day. Bye bye.